Hello, in this video you will learn how to create cabinet doors. So I will show you how to do it like over here on this side, like this base cabinet door here, and then sink cabinet door. I think that is those two are the most tricky ones in this kitchen. So I think you can apply that to base cabinet doors here. Maybe this can be planned to be like Lazy Susan type of base cabinet, and over here like one over here and one over here. So, and again, like you can utilize, because this is the corner cabinet, again you can use Lazy Susan over here and maybe up to here, and another one like drawers or something like that here. So that's the brief plan design of this kitchen space cabinets, and let's go over here to create base cabinet doors. There are many different ways to design it. This is just one of the way, and you can figure out your own way to do it, and that will be even better. Like you may have your own preferences in the process, and depending on the design it can be different as well. So over here, this is how wide it should be, right? So using line tool, I'll just draw 3 feet over here, and over here up to, that is the width of them, right? So just like that. Okay, and again Control C, Control V over here, and we don't need this one anymore. Maybe just to place this one later here, and it'll be better if there is a guide. So using tape measure tool, this is toe kick space, right? So for 4 inches, and the door should be placed right on that point. So I just leave it here, so it's moving is easier later. Okay, so this is supposed to be the base cabinet door. So let's make it a component named base cabinet door 1. Okay, do that, and again double click to design it. And I told you it is because of the toe kick space, you need to take that account. And line. Okay, so that's the height of it. Okay, so get rid of this, maybe because okay, so now it is easier to see. Okay, and so from the ground floor, it is 4 inches up because of the toe kick space, but at the top we also have the countertop. So, and base cabinet is right under, and countertop height we made it like 1 inch thickness, so we need to get down 1 inch. And because there is usually a little bit of gap between the countertop and then the cabinet door, because cabinet door should be moving, it swings, so we need to give that a little bit of space. So 1 inch and a little more, so I'll say 1/4. Okay, so that is how high it should be. So we don't need this one. This is the countertop and the clearance for door swing. So that is how big the door should be. Okay, and then the door design, you can select your own design, and you can use magazines. I know lots of students are using Pinterest, Instagram. You can choose the design that you want. I will make a really simple design, so I'll use offset and make the offset like maybe 4 inches. 4 inches. And then let's give thickness P and 0.5 inch. Okay, so this is simple, but that is the design that I have. You can add handles later, and maybe if time allows, I will show you in this exercise. If not, we can cover that in the assignment, SketchUp assignment later. So that's how big it should be, and let's move it from here to here, and we don't really need this one, so let's get rid of them. So it is in the right place now. Because this is a base cabinet, we just created a door, and I want to make a cover over here, so that's what I will do. So over here on that side, usually it is empty over here, but let's do 4 inches, and over here, maybe I need to draw one more line to create that, to kind of make the cover over here, and I will do the same thing over here. So going out that way and to here. Okay, so that's good. It is better to be a little more realistic. We can go maybe a little bit of, we can create a little bit of gap in between. So let's do that. Go this way, 0.1 inch. Okay, so draw the line so we can create a little bit of gap between the door and then the base cabinet itself. Okay, and this gap, space, delete that, so you can see a little bit of space in between. And over here, usually we place a filler here. So I will create filler like this way. Like that. And then, oops, when you're stuck in the middle of something like that, then sometimes it's kind of very hard to get out of it. Just double click this one, zoom extents, and then you can totally get out of there. Okay, do that. So this is the filler, and using push pull tool, I'll do that. Okay, so that's the filler. Because over here it shows, I will create a cover so it doesn't look like it is empty.